Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chairman Senate Sayyid Yusuf Gilani, Speaker of the National Assembly Sardar Ayaz Sadiq, Prime Minister Muhammad Shahbaz Sharif, honorable members of the Parliament, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is my singular privilege as your twice elected president to address the August House for the 9th time at the beginning of a new parliamentary year. Each such address is a reminder of continuity of our democratic system and of the responsibility we carry as representatives of people of Pakistan. Nations are tested only in times of crisis, but a key crossroad. The past year has reminded us that the strength of our republic lies in its constitution, in the resilience of our people, the responsibilities of parliament and government, and courage of our armed forces. As we begin a new parliamentary year, we must build upon the resilience, safeguarding sovereignty, strengthening the judicial governance, and advancing economic transformation so that the stability of because of growth and great prosperity, progress, for peace for every citizen. As we gather here today, we stand on the foundation laid by those who shaped our national journey. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah envisioned a democratic state rooted in constitutionalism and rule of law. Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto gave this nation its unanimous constitution. Sheikh Muhammad Benazir Bhutto strengthened democracy process through sacrifices and exemplary leadership. My own belief in the parliamentary authority does not lie in words alone, but in action that builds our legacy. The last time I was president, I unilaterally returned the powers given to the presidency back to the House of Parliament as envisioned in the 1973 Constitution through historic 18th Amendment. Today the presidency stands as symbol of unity, of federation, a bridge between federating units and a guardian of constitutional laws that binds us all. Honorable members, the past 10 months tested our nation in profound and complex ways. When our sovereignty was challenged on either front, Pakistan responded with strategic restraint and firm resolve. When confronted with unprovoked attacks on both our borders, but Army jeep